shooting. Tapos meron kang 3-point shooter para kay Yancy. So maganda pa yung naglalaro niyang high-low. And that's gonna be a miscue on the part of Tori de la Cruz. So slowly but surely, bumalik na naman tayo sa highest lead ng Ginebra dito. Kasama Fed.
Yes.
Parang 8 points ang lamang dito ng Ginebra.
And there's Luigi Trillo working on the heart and mind of Eman.
You know, they say you cannot teach height. He's 6'9". He's not immobile like other 6'9". So this might be the last, you would say, the 1-2 conferences where you can see kung may gagaling tayo si Eman o wala.
That's a good point, huh?
Kung mo makikita. And that's why, this is the best thing for him to go to. Dahil if given a chance, at the coaches in that club, including Coach Tinton, will give him every opportunity to shine.
And the system, the triangle system, allows the center to become
a good factor. You don't really have to be a scorer.
You have to be a good passer, though.
Yeah. And then you go to the boards, which is that was a foul they're called against Enrico Villanueva. May dalawang tama pa siya kay Rico doon ni Simpson, because Rico was telling, was feeling that fouling kita ba, I'm not going to give you continuation. And I thought he was fouled earlier, but we'll see. And Rudy Hatfield now coming back into the ball game para kay Rico. Pangilang foul ni Rico, first personal foul. There's not going to be, it's not going to be, there was no continuation. Dahil final na siya, tapos nag-dribble pa siya. Tapos hinabol pa ulit ni Rico. Pero yung unang foul, tinawagan pa siya, yung unang galaw pa lang niya, ni Simpson.
Our clock is down to 8 minutes here in the second period, which is slowed down just a tad here. Neither team really burning the hardwood for fast break. It does, and they play half court, and Simpson connects.
4 points in the ball game for Simpson. Alaska making sure that Ginebra does not get a 10-point or a double-digit advantage. Hatfield again working hard. 8 points in the ball game na para kay Rudy Hatfield.
Bumalik na yung basketball shape ni Rudy, ano?
Well, and more I think yung the environmental surroundings that you feel when you play the game. Kasi even if he's in good shape, if you haven't played the competitive type of basketball on this level, hindi mo makukuha yung laro talaga eh.
Iba pagka may referee na, may TV na, no? Nag-iibang ang context ng laro. Difficult angle, it finds its way home.
It's a great move there by Diamond. Simpson's got 6 points right now. 4 in a row here, and that was a tough shot there.
Yes, indeed. I wonder what his parents were really thinking when they named him Diamond.
Well, one of the most precious stones in the world.
LA decided to take this out and cut tiptoe to the basket.
Mark Berberan has 4 points in the ballgame, so that's quality minutes coming off the bench. Boy never giving up, even though he sat down most of the games at the start of this conference.
And Alaska, courtesy of Borboran, comes within 4 points. Here's a penetration, tough angle to Westwood, and it's taken away by Hugnatan.
It's one thing that Alaska can always rely on. It's their defense, making stops when they have to.
Tough angle.
Para kasi ang sikip ng lugar pag dumaan ka ng baseline. Parang kaya naiilang ang mga player eh.
Yung excuse me move mo eh, no?
Naiilang ang player pag daan mo sa baseline. Parang ang sikip, parang tatama ka na doon sa labas eh.
Lalo sabihin nyo na ito. In the meantime, LA says, let's slow down the pace. Let's not run with Barangay Ginebra here. LA says, I got it.
There's a back.
Yep, back down.
Again, LA making Big Daddy proud here. Coming up with a possible 3-point play, a 6-0 run here by Alaska, and they're just down by 2 with a 3-point play coming up here for LA Tenorio. Tingnan mo si, nag-go under itong si Elton Brand, pinalikan siya ni LA using the pick, and then he was bumped going to the basket.
LA Tenorio averaging 11.4 points per outing.
Actually, that guy can be a better scorer than that. But he loves to want to. I think what he's trying to say is, I'll play the point guard first. I'll get the points for my teammates. But if he really wanted to, Yung talaga he'll take more
Yung
shots.
first option siya.
Yeah,
yun ba?
I mean, even not first, but I
Yun
think...
in the flow of
yeah,
things, ano?
he wants to take more shots. He can easily be 15, 16 points at least a game. Una-una, may tira sa labas, mabilis pumasok at magaling mag-free throw. So, spate of errors here by the Barangay Ginebra Kings.
I think LA has just gotten used to the idea that he's been on star-studded teams a big chunk of his career,
Yeah.
even in the PBL.
Well, some beda in juniors,
Yeah,
at
the seniors, and here with
Tapos San Miguel.
Oh.
Ito, grabe itong ratsyada ng Alaska dito. Remember, they were down by 8. Now they're on top by 1. They have another 3-point play coming up.
It's just a cool customer in the heat of battle here. Look at him find this way home. And we've got a 30-second timeout. Brought to you by, is it a pull? Yes, it is. Brought to you by Handicap. Ang first aid ng bakay mo, Banzol. Seals all.
Obligado ng kagawad ng timeout doon ng Barangay Ginebra. Ilang turnovers na sila. Tapos, a couple of big shots here. Puro 3-point play coming up dito para sa Alaska Aces. No?
Tuwaki Trillo ba ito nakatalikod?
Yeah, it's wacky. Right here, in red and white. Sabi nga ka-uniform
Sabi
niya.
niya, mainit eh. Ba't ako magkukumbata? Alam mo naman yan eh. Pwede ko nakitang biruin uli, Waki. Hindi ka na chairman.
Maski na ba chairman siya, pwede mong biruin.
Sige, okay. That's one of the funniest and most delightful friends we've had through the years. In the meantime, 36-35. Simpson taking care of the free throw. You know, Joel Bernal, the assistant to Cinco, was telling me in the social gathering, boy, we've got a good import. I hope that the NBA teams will find out about him.
37-35 for Alaska. Wala namang problema ngayon. Dahil hindi, how many teams are there? That would have been a problem just before the start of the playoffs when they would give you 10-day contract. Right now, you cannot change your lineups anymore.
Wala na yan.
So, wala na yan.
Kaya apat na team na lang natin.
Kaya nga yung mga nagtapos dyan sa mga D-League, they're available right now. Either to come here or come in, go anywhere in the country. Dahil wala na silang ambition sa NBA until the July summer comes again. Tapos yun, they'd like to show up there. Baka mapili pa sila.
It's out for taking care of business from the long distance. He has a 7-point game.
Umusok bigla dito si LA. No? Dahil scoring-wise, saka yung mga pasa-pasa niya, yung mga creation niya, biglang napako dito ng Ginebra. They only got 1 point in the last few minutes. Pero Delta Brown coming to the rescue. Parang Lone Ranger.
Oh, Tonto, come on, let's go.
Hinanap ko yung Tonto, yung partner niya. Ito sa kabila yung nagdidepensa, naka-redo dyan. Nag-zone na dito ang Barangay Ginebra to take away the penetration. Tirahin niyo kami sa labas kung gusto niyo. Ito, ganda naman ang pasa. Binalik! Simpson, real hard worker underneath, getting more comfortable with his game here in the PBA.
And with his teammates, 11 points in this game. Step back. Rattles away. Matigas na yung ring, ano?
Yan. Tapos may konting good positioning there. Ito naman si Cyrus. Yung mga alley shuffle niya. Buti hindi nahilo yung kalaban.
Dating kakampi, alam na yun. Long distance call. Nobody home.
That might have been the worst shot for Alaska in the spate of all of their offense for the last 3 minutes.
Yes. This corner shot, it's up and out. It's on the ground.
Foul downstairs called by referee Bong Pascual. Another one of our tall referees. About a little over 6 feet siguro.
You know, it really helps also with magpakad yung referee na iba. No?
Well, you see a lot of teams. And
You see eyeball to eyeball with a lot of...
isa na yun, parang sinasabi ng player, naglaro rin ito. So, pwede konting respeto dito. Paglaro na ito, maski na paano nakakaintindi na laro ito.
History is, especially Philippine basketball, complete with a lot of former players who became referees. In the meantime, hook shot. A hook pass, rather. A quick jump. Yes! Ambrose feeling good.
Maayos naman ang laro ni Ambrose. You know, he's taken good shots, getting more comfortable with the team.